Okay, so let's look at what we do at the end of the month with the special journals. So the first thing we do is what's called footing them, which is really just adding up each column. So, and then I can do this, and I can copy the formula across all the way, and we'll notice just there some things is that GST is 10% of sales, and sales and GST added together is accounts receivable. And you would find that be a good test actually. Let's do that if this cell's not done. It's just look at the, no I can't, yes, well I can at the moment, I can undo that. Right, this is not something you need to do, but just give you a sense of the gross profit on each of these, and we should see how consistent that remains. So we see about 65% there. Again, we fill down 66, 67, 66. So well, it looks like we're working to increase our gross profit over the month. So then we just total these, same deal. Because what we're going to do now is instead of posting individual items, is post the totals. Same here. This process is reasonably quick from here. And fill that across with Control R. Next one down. Again, same process. Fill across. Now this one we can take the we can delete that, but I won't delete it so you can see the colours, but I'll just change the colour of it because we don't post these ones because there's no account to post them to, and we have in fact already posted them. But we can see here, oh, Orange Computers, did I not post that? What date is this? 19th. Let me have a look to see if I've posted Orange Computers to the subsidiary ledger on the 19th, 14,500. Am I after Computers on the 16th? Payment of 14,500. Oh, here it is, 19th. I have posted that. Got the wrong date in there. It's not good having the wrong date. Right, T. Righto, that's now done. Alright, so these were all added, so we can now post all of these items. So I may not post all of them, but let's see how we do it. So first off, I'll post accounts receivable debit. So let me just drag the general ledger up next to the special journal so I don't have to go too far. So accounts receivable debit. One before. It's receivable debit 108,460. That worked. Fill that formula down. We know this is sales 1 and it's going to be last day of the month, June 30, and I can go back and put in there 102 to say we've posted that. 102. Now post to sales. 98,060 to sales. Journal 98,060. That works. So opening balance of a credit, deduct any debits, add any credits, and hopefully that'll go green. June 30, and it is S1. Again, we could put in an explanation like credit sales June. However, the mere fact that we've got June 30 in S1, that tells us that it's credit sales for June. That's account 400, it's been posted, 400. GST, so this is a credit to GST, or GST clearing account. So we go June 30, and this is S1 in the amount. Again, the quickest way to do this would be to just write the amounts in if you've got your book there with you. Now, and that's didn't go the colour I wanted it to go. Okay, that's a big clue I've done something wrong. So I think what I've done wrong, well, clearly I've put it as a debit when it should be a credit, so these must have gone in a slightly different order. So special journals 71,500, right, that works there. So these have gone in a different order. I'll come back, and this is S1, and again it's just the fall in inventory from related to credit sales. Well, we can put that in credit sales. Now 120, and so now we've posted to 500-120. Let me just check that I've done the 500 cost of goods sold. COGS S1 71,500. Now accounts payable, we go to accounts payable subsidiary ledger, and we don't need to go to there. We need to go to the general ledger at the moment. Accounts payable, I might have put this in. Accounts payable. June 1 purchase, yep, 134, special journals. I know why that one's wrong, and that's 202. That's right, wasn't it? 34, 202. Inventory, that was our problem last time. Go to inventory, general ledger, up in the assets, current assets. Reasonably liquid, but we've got lots of liquid assets. So here's one that was missing, and again they should have been done in the other order, but they both happened at the 30th of June, so probably just convention, they go the other way around. So that's 120. Now we go GST clearing down to liabilities where we have it. Oops. GST clearing. I think I made the same mistake here. What have I done? I know, GST clearing. Special journals, debit to GST. Now this should have been a credit to GST here, but it's shown as 0. So what have I left out? So this might be working in yours. I'm guessing these are one line out because of that transaction, but I will come back and check that. GST clearing I've done, that's 240. Now we'll post these items. Cash at bank. Again, this is probably a good time to finish, but I'll just keep going on. I'm going to have to do them anyway. Maybe I won't talk much. June 30, CR1, cash receipts, so we expect it to go up. Cash at bank, and that's count 101. We'll just get the balance right. Opening balance plus any deposits less any payments. Special journal, that was 101. GST equals GST clearing now 309, where we just were. Is that a debit to 309? Debit to 309. So what happens here? Right, so that's answered the query for me at least. Why I'm on one transaction out. Now I could have got over that by, I think this is right in your books, because you've got that extra line in here. So if I insert a line here, then and that transaction goes there. Now the end ones won't work, but then and that transaction would go there. Damn. 9860. Right, 1, 2. Right, well that solved the mystery. So this should be working in your books. Now this shouldn't be green because there's a mistake, so what has happened? That was showing right. Special journals, the net sales discount, so this will be discounts, general ledger, down to discounts, sales discounts, and June 30. Discounts will always come in cash receipts. Well, I guess there's always circumstances where something can pop up somewhere else. we're going to see there, righto, special journals. What number was that? 400.3. Accounts receivable, 85,300. Now, the quickest way to do this will be just to print off the ledger, the special journals, and come and paste them straight in here. So you just write the numbers in. 85,330, June 30, CR1, and it's 102. GST again. Now this time GST is a credit. So general ledger. June 30 CR1. Right, here's CR1 down the line. And that didn't work. Why didn't that one work? Oh, I'll have to come back and follow that up. So there could be a few issues here to sort out. $240. I know what didn't work. I put it in as a debit for starters. It's still not going to work. Righto. There was a debit here. That's why I've gone over the top. Righto. There was a debit of 309, and we've got a credit. Righto. Now we're back on track. Revenue. Sales rev. June 30. And it's cash receipts 1, and that's 400. Amount other, they've already been posted. It's across. Now we've got an amount to go to COGS and inventory. So debit COGS, and then we'll create inventory, June 30, CR1, fill that down, inventory. CR1. I like that we're getting to the bottom of some of these things. That's a pretty good sign that we're just about finished, or at least finished this section. Special journals. Righto, not a lot of transactions to do. 4 items to record. GST again, General Ledger, CP1, June 30, equals debit GST, and I'll do the other one while I'm here, and CP1 June 30, because there were some discounts involved, equals 204, and fill this down. Hopefully this is going to be right in yours, but it may not be, so I'll put both of these in at 240. Let's post it 240, 240. Only 2 things to post: accounts payable, cash at bank. So debit account payable, gone too far. Liabilities, accounts payable, June 30, CP1, cash payments, journal 1, and that equals $111,800. Fill that down. Now we'll do cash at bank. So cash at bank has gone down. Cash at bank, special journals, 150,000. June 30, CP1. That's right, and so it's going to be posted to 101 for cash at bank, and too far, 101 and 202. But remember there, 202, 101, and that's got all our special journals posted to the General Ledger. That's pretty good progress.